The cost of home ownership have gone up significantly in recent times, and so many homeowners, in addition to increasing interest rates, have had to deal with increasing utility costs. In this video, I'll be sharing 10 easy ways to improve the energy efficiency of your home and reduce your monthly utility costs. Welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you are joining, I'm happy to have you here with me. The first and easiest way to improve the energy efficiency of your home is to seal every hair leaks. Check your weather strippings around the doors, around the windows. Look out for spaces where you could be losing hair in your house. It could be cool air or hot air, but whenever you are conditioning the air of your home, depending on the prevailing weather, you want to keep that hair inside. So simple things like checking the weather stripping and replacing it, checking cracks or using spray insulation for exposed parts. Maybe there's insulation after a while in some houses, especially in the basement. If the insulation settles, using spray foam insulation to fill those spaces and keep the heating or cooling inside your house will save you a lot of money. In some studies, hair loss accounts for up to 30% of energy wasted in the house. Weather stripping don't cost a lot. So many home hardware stores like Home Depot, Lowe's, Rona carry some of this. Look into it, check out for gaps. Put your hands around your windows and door to feel if you are feeling any cold or hot air rushing into the house. That means there's a gap in there. The second easy way to improve the energy efficiency of your house is to switch to LED bulbs. LED bulbs are cheaper these days, and no matter your design of chandelier, there are a lot of options available to replace the incandescent bulb with LED light. LED lights save more than 90% of the cost whenever you switch your light on. And it also doesn't emit heat like incandescent bulb. In some cases, especially if you are cooling your house, using incandescent light in addition to heating up your electricity will also produce heat into the house, which is kind of counterintuitive. Now you spend another energy trying to cool that. A third way to improve your energy efficiency is by replacing your windows. If your window is more than 20 years, it might be due for replacement. Single glazing windows are notorious for allowing the outside heat to come in or cold depending on the weather. Upgrading to double and preferably triple glazing could save up to 50% of your energy cost. In addition to the windows saving you on your energy costs, it also increases your curb appeal. And triple glazing windows, if you're in an area where it's noisy, it cuts down the sound significantly. In addition to the good look and curb appeal that the new windows will provide, having a quiet house is also a benefit of replacing your windows. A fourth way of improving your energy usage is by installing smart thermostat. Smart thermostat look at your schedule to kind of start heating your house ahead or cooling your house to get the temperature, your preferred temperature. Smart thermostat saves you energy because it reduces the wear and tear on your HVAC, because it works with your schedule and to keep and maintain your temperature, so that it reduces your house. If you turn off your heating and your house has really cooled down, then by turning up the HVAC, we use a lot more heat to get it to that level, whereas it might be more efficient to have your smart thermostat control the temperature to minimize the temperature swings, allow your air to really circulate through, which improves your comfort and also saves you energy, which in turn saves you on your monthly utility bills. Read about the different options of smart thermostat available online and select one that works with your HVAC system. Most of the smart thermostats available usually work with a variety of HVAC systems. If you have to replace your home appliances, a smart way to improve your energy efficiency is to shop for 𝖁𝖎𝑙𝑍 appliances. Energy efficient appliances could save up to 50% of your energy usage. Many of it have different settings that would help you reduce the energy usage or reduce the water usage depending on what type of appliances. So if shopping for a new appliance, save yourself monthly costs by going for 𝖁𝖎𝑙𝑍 appliances. Another way to improve your energy efficiency is to clean your furnace filter. A dirty filter restricts airflow and makes the HVAC to work harder to try to power through that, thereby using more energy or running for longer, confusing the system, and it can even reduce the lifespan of your HVAC. Imagine if your HVAC breaks down just because you've not cleaned your filter regularly. In addition to you paying a lot of utility costs over the life of the HVAC system, Now you have shortened the lifespan. That is another big chunk of money that has to come out of your pocket as homeowners. Please, filters should be cleaned regularly depending on the thickness. Some that are like one mesh thick need to be changed every 30 days. The thicker ones can be every 3 months. Follow what the manufacturer says, and also look at your area. If you are living in a new area where there are construction and there is dust from that, or if you live in an area where it's kind of open space with lots of dust blowing around, like your filter might need to be changed even more often than what is required. So every 30 days it makes sense to check on it to see if there's a lot of dust or grime on it and change it as required. It improves the quality of air in your house. It also saves you stress like high dusting and stuff like that. A clean filter reduces the amount of dust that comes into the house, saves you money because your system doesn't have to work too hard to power through a dirty filter, and you don't also have to work physically trying to do eye dusting in the house. Whatever makes your life easier as an homeowner, please go for it. In addition to replacing or cleaning your air filters, the 7th way to improve your energy efficiency is by maintaining your HVAC system. Furnace tune-up, AC tune-up, make sure you test it, service it regularly to improve the lifespan. It improves the efficiency for you, saving you money in the short term, and also extend the life by saving you money on the longer term. Another way to improve your efficiency is by insulating your attic. If you have an attic, insulating it will help you reduce the heat loss from the house. Whenever heat is lost from your house, that is money lost from your pocket, because you are paying to heat your house. Having it just dissipate out from the roof, it's just money being blown away. Hot air rises. We should always think about that, especially in cold climate. When you are heating your house, hot air rises. If your attic is not insulated, that just goes straight through your house, and you have to keep eating because you are down there, you are standing, you are sitting, you are still feeling cold in your feet. Your house doesn't feel comfortable. Insulating your attic would not only save you money but also improve your comfort. 9th way to improve your energy efficiency is what I've always talked a lot about on this channel. Install solar. It's no brainer. If your house is powered by solar energy, that means you are using the abundant energy supplied by the sun. If you are still on the fence and trying to decide whether to go with solar installation or not, you can watch my video where I discuss 10 questions that people have about installing solar and provided answer to kind of convince you about that. You can also watch other videos on my channel where I showed the solar panel productions to share how it's replacing my utility costs. I've not had to pay any bill since the last 6 months. It's been summer months. I've been getting credit that I will use over the winter months. The final easy way to improve the energy efficiency of your house is to invest in low flow water fixtures. Low flow water fixtures such as shower heads, low flow toilets can save you up to 20 gallons of water per day. If you live in an area where I am, where you pay 3 times for your water usage, that will go a long way to saving you money. For every liter of water that I use, I have to pay for drainage services for that and for waste services for that same amount. That means for every liter of water you use, you are using that number to calculate 3 other bills you have to pay. So reducing the amount of water you use by having this low flow shower, low flow toilet will go a long way to save you money as homeowners. So here I've shared the 10 easy ways. I'm inviting you now to share additional ways that you think others could save utility bills in the comment section. Looking forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you.